Hello everyone. Today we will look at a data mining tool which is called as a Weka, right? Okay, so this Weka software is being used for data mining purpose, uh, and we will. This is basically developed by Waikato Environment for Knowledge Analysis. That is the short form for the Weka software, and it is developed at the University of Waikato at New Zealand. Okay, it is written in Java, and then it is a free software for data mining purposes, right? Now, data mining is a part of practically is a part of this machine learning tool, and machine learning and data analysis is being used in companies in industries for many purposes like exploratory analysis, inferential analysis, descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, prediction. Prediction is what we are trying to do here. In most of our researches, what we do is that we try to predict what happens because of something that has already some event has occurred. For example, a tool got broke. For that, so what will be the implication of the tool breakage on the surface finish, etc. And then there's another one called as a prescriptive analysis. Now, Weka, it is basically a collection of machine learning algorithms for data mining tasks, and it contains tools for data preparation, data classification, regression, clustering, and association of rules mining and the visualization. Okay, so Weka features, they include machine learning, data mining, pre-processing, classification, regression, clustering, association rules, etc. All these things. We don't have to make a program to write this, or it is a no-code environment in machine learning, and it is quite powerful and then very easy to use. It is one of the early no-code tools that was developed, but is really very efficient and powerful. Okay, what are the advantages of using Weka is that it is available free, okay, to the general public, and it is portable. Since it is fully implemented in the Java programming language, and thus it runs on almost any modern computing platforms. It is a comprehensive collection of data processing and modeling techniques. Now, the process data in Weka can be analyzed using different data mining techniques, as we said, and here the software actually it opens out, and then there is an explorer, and through the explorer you can try and get into this, load your data. You can load your data in CSV file. Okay, numeric, integer, and the real string, or the 4 different types of data types that has been provided by Weka. A classifier. What is a classifier? A classifier identifies an instance of a class based on the training set of a data. So in machine learning, what we generally do is that if we have to classify an error, or we want to predict what will happen to a particular moving component, we try to teach in the different conditions on which it can fail, and then by giving a kind of a vibration signal. Now, once these signals are there, and Weka trains the algorithm, the trained algorithm is given a new set of data, and then it predicts as to which class of the earlier trained set that it belongs to. Okay, the class of error that happens, that it tries to predict it. And this prediction is definitely not 100%. There are multiple algorithms which is suitable for which type of application, etc. Now, there is a feature is also an important, and it indicates how much amount of that particular feature contributes to the model. Simply understanding about a feature is that, if you have to check that somebody's got they have got fever, then all I have to do is touch them in below their neck, and then find if there is a temperature there. So temperature is one of the feature of a fever. So to check fever, I try to check the temperature. So that is what we called as a feature. A feature is important, and it indicates how much each feature contributes to the model. Now, I can even take weight as a feature, but then it does not contribute to the. It does not directly contribute to the to the fever understanding. So, but the temperature contributes. So, which feature is good for which type of problem is what is to be established. A classifier identifies the instance classes based on the training set of data, and Weka makes it very easy to build classifiers. There are attribute filters, like filters are used to basically to eliminate the noise factors, etc. And especially if we are trying to work on vibration signals, a lot of noise, unwanted vibration comes up, and and we can try and eliminate such kind of things. So Weka is a free, downloadable, easy to use data mining software, and one can definitely use these kind of software to study some small applications, and you can also substantiate using some MATLAB programming also, and so this is about Weka. We will try and then understand more about Weka on some other occasion. Thank you very much. We'll meet on another note.